Hi Abhishek. So first of all, congratulations on getting placed at HCL as a cloud engineer.
Thank you, Swati. I'm really very much excited and grateful for this opportunity given
Great,
by the Paperlive Learning app.
great. So would you like telling us a little about, the background before you are joining to the Paper Live Learning?
Of course, why not? I'm working as a business analyst and had about 1 year of experience at that place. While working there, I become interested in the cloud engineering and cloud technology and want to move to that technology, which give
Okay,
the market now.
okay. So that is a quite a career shift. So like I would like to know what made you to take that decision to change your role to a different sector?
I felt cloud computing has a huge growth opportunity now time. I wanted to role at that place. I could learn technical skills, work with the modern technology and the advanced computer skills. So I decided to make switch from to cloud computing.
Okay. So just tell me how was your experience during the training process here?
During the training time, the coordinator and the coordinator have a huge supportive and give us the opportunity to learn. I don't know about this cloud computing, but they guide us and help us to know about this course and improve myself, practical learning.
Mm-hmm. So it was a difficult for you coming from a different background and from after coming here, is the learning was easy?
Initially, it is very much difficult for me, but the support staff help us to make it easier and learn quite easily.
Okay. So many learners usually ask us about the placement support. So what is your experience when it comes to the placement support from Paperlive Learning?
The the placement team was excellent supportive. They help us in resume building, mock interviews, interview preparation, how to sit in a interview panel. Feedback I received after every mock test and helped me to improve after every mock.
Okay. So do you find mock interview as easy, or what is your personal opinion when it comes to the mock interview which you attended?
The interview initially mainly focused on the fundamental AWS services networking concept, some scenario based on the questions, which helped me to improve myself.
Mhm.
And I will thank to the training and mock interviews those who are taken, and I am able to confident myself.
How do you feel, when you received your offer letter in hand?
That time my matlab, tears come on my eyes. All my the effort and hard work and I feel amazing during, and I immediately informed this information to my family and the institute, the paper life learning.
That's very wonderful. And do you have any advices where you need to give to the professionals who wants to actually move from a different sector or different stream to this cloud and DevOps?
I will advise, don't let your current background stop you. If you are willing to learn and practice constantly in one subject or one background, then definitely make the transition. Have the right guidance make huge difference to career switch or to change the background.
That's really good. And finally, like, how would you describe your overall journey with the Paperlive learning?
It was a great learning experience during my period. From the training to placement, the support staff was the most excellent. I am thankful to the trainers, mentors, the support staff, the placement team, the interview team. They have much more help us to prepare us for this cloud computing and
Hmm?
achieve the milestones.
Okay. So, Abhishek, thank you so much for your time and sharing your journey with us. So, we wish you great success at HCL and at your future career. Okay?
Thank you, Swati.
Let's keep in
I
touch.
am happy to sharing my experience with your team and
Thank you. We are really happy
thank,
to hear the same. Thank you.
thank you.